Notice that this is the second opening of this box, but I've never powered on the phone. And here's it. Okay, took it. Okay, technical things of this phone. This is glass, no notch, 2 front cameras, 10 and 8 megapixel. Here is metal, and the back is full glass with 3 cameras, 12 megapixel, 6 megapixel, and 12 megapixel. 2 per ultra wide and normal OIS camera, flash LED and heart of autofocus sensors, and other many sensors. So here's the back of this absolutely stunning phone. Prince Black is the color of it, and the storage is 128 GB. I ordered it with its technical specifics. USB Type-C adapter, fast charger, nice, I love it. Headphones made by AKG, and these are the cables of the charger that will be here to make a USB-C charger. So, wow, absolutely stunning. Here's the awesome fingerprint, but it's powered, so I cannot test it now. 6.4 display, and this is it from Samsung Galaxy S10 Edge, which is recording this video. That's it. Ah, no. Sorry, I forgot this thing. Yeah, it's stuck. The manuals of guarantee and the pin ejector are still in the box because they are stuck in it. I'm gonna lock it, so that's it. Another particular of the box. That's it.